Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2016 Dodge Journey. Under the hood we have a 2.4 liter i4 engine and a 4-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in black, looks awesome. You do have your Dodge badging up front with the chrome accenting, as well you do have your lights right there, and they are very bright. And coming around the side we do have our tires, the Bridgestone brand tires with our 17-inch rims. They look fantastic. You do also have your mirrors hanging out right there, and they are heated. And coming all the way around to the back of the vehicle, you do have your Journey badging as well as your Dodge. You can open it up just right here. Lots of room back here as well. Lots for storage or groceries or whatever you might be putting back here. You can also lift this guy up. You got additional storage just underneath there, and those seats do fold forward as well. Got our keys here, 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock, and our panic button there. But let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside. So on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks. You have your handle here, and some storage down here. And it does look awesome in here as well. Very spacious, and the cloth seats are very comfortable. Now you do have the controls over your lights right here, so your off, daytime running lights, and low beams, as well as your in-cabin lights here. And then your controls over your turning signals, high beams, and windshield wipers right up there. Let's start her up here. Foot on the brake, press the button, and it starts right up. Now in the center here, we do have our speedometer and odometer, as well as fuel gauge and engine temperature. And right in the center there, it does tell us how many kilometers we have, as well as the temperature outside and what gear we're in. Now we can switch that on to the fuel economy, our vehicle speed, trip info, tire KPA, vehicle info, messages, and we can turn the menu off as well. Now that is controlled from right here. You also have your horn in the center and cruise control options right there. And then in the center here, we do have our touchscreen display. So you do have your AM and your FM there, as well as you do have your player here if you have one hooked up through your CD player. You also have your climate control right here, and it is a dual climate system for you and your passengers, so you can have different levels of hot or cold. Then you got your settings there, more, and your screen off. A little bit of storage right here, and then down here in the we have the hazard lights, AC, circulation, front rear defrost, and traction control. Volume up and down with the power, dual climate for the temperatures. Then you have your power and your off, and then your selector there. We have our CD player there, some storage here, and some cup holders here. Gear shift is right there. And then you also have your armrest, doubles as a storage container. Lots of room in there as well. You do have an aux cord and USB plug-in just in there. And then over here we do have our locking glove box with our owner's manual inside of it. Looks fantastic. And you do have your lights just up top there. Let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. On the door here you got your handle, control of your windows, and a handle here. Looks awesome in here, back here as well. You do have the same material as the front, and you can also put this guy down, giving you some cup holders and an armrest. And these seats do fold forward, as I said, just like that. This is our 2.4 liter i4 engine. Well, that does it for my walk around video, the 2016 Dodge Journey. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to one of our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.